May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 3, Lordship. This matter may be adjourned for next day, Lordship.
Item number?
3, Lordship.
Oh, there is one more matter.
Consent has been taken from respondent side, Lordship.
When do you want?
This matter may be released tomorrow, Lordship.
Tomorrow?
Yes. After we. Yes, Lordship, after we. Lordship.
You are for whom?
I am for appealant, Lordship.
What is the difficulty?
Difficulty is exactly that, Lordship. Today, this matter is unfortunately released, Lordship. That
This matter has been unfortunately listed.
yes, Lordship. Yes, yesterday night there have not seen in.
This was not listed actually.
It was not listed.
Hmm?
Yes, Lordship.
It was not listed in the main list.
This regard, Lordship.
Record.
In this case, matter records, you will also call for records. I don't know if it has come full records.
No case is listed just like that.
Yes,
not it?
Yes, Lordship.
Every case is listed as per the rules.
Yes, Lordship.
On 21/8/2023,
Yes,
London Council for the respective parties were present.
yes, Lordship.
Order was passed to list it on 11th of September.
Yes, Lordship.
That is how the matter has come.
Yes, Lordship.
So
Lordship.
it was within the knowledge of the councils representing the parties
Yes,
that
Lordship.
this matter would be listed. So registry perhaps had missed it.
Yes.
So that's why immediately on tracing it out, they have listed it. But you had the knowledge that this case will come up today on 21st August 2023,
Yes.
where all the learned councils were present.
Yes, Lordship.
All right.
Yes, Lordship. That's
On the prayer of learned council for the petitioner, listed up to 2 weeks.
Yes, Lordship. Much obliged.
Number one.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship,
Yes.
this morning my senior, Mr. Arsaki, was here, Your Lordship, but he has left out for some personal difficulty. He's left with the senior advocate Ajing Apang sir.
We had fixed this series of cases
Yes, that is there, Your Lordship.
at your instance. We did not wanted it to fix any particular date.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You insisted it. And this is the only matter for which we have assembled on the prayer of Learned Council for the appellant
Responded, Your Lordship.
respondent,
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr.
Ibam, Your Lordship.
Ivan Learned Council listed after 3 weeks.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes.
This
Yes,
matter was already
You want the
Fixed.
matter, you want the matter to be listed?
for listing, yes,
When?
on 19 and 21
All right.
March of them.
May I beg lordship? I beg to mention
Let
today.
the matter be called up.
Motion
Let,
is
let the matter be called up. Yes, call the matter.
Number one.
may I, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this measure may be passed over for a day after tomorrow, lordship. Lordship, my senior have personal difficulties, lordship. So lordship, this matter may be.
What is the matter about?
Matter about lordships, here lordships. Additional deputy commissioners lordship, Mechuga lordship. Pass a order lordship directing to stop the constructions of the link road lordships. And lordship directed us to produce.
Work order,
Yes,
work order.
yeah, lordship. Yes.
Where is the work order?
Work order lordship, work orders lordship in file lordship. Lordship,
You have to bring it on record if you
Yes.
want to.
yes, lordship. So that Lordship, just yesterday we
Monday?
received, so Lordship,
Next Monday?
next Monday, Lordship, it's too late, Lordships. So day after tomorrow, Lordship.
Okay. Yeah, after tomorrow.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, can this matter may be listed next Monday, Your Lordship?
What is the matter about?
It's regarding creation of a village without following due
All
process.
right, next Monday.
Highly appreciated.
Next Monday, which date? You know the date? 18. Okay, 18.
May I, Lordship. Item number 3, Lordship, day after tomorrow, Lordship.
What is the matter about?
Matter, Lordship, here, Lordship, the respondent, Lordship, while constructing the road, Lordships, by diverting the DPR, Lordships, pass through the petitioner land, Lordships. By diverting the road, Lordship, PMGC road, Lordship. Lordship, day after tomorrow, Lordship.
Will issue notice?
No, Lordship, Lordship, this is so Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, interim secretary is there, Lordship. So Lordship, my senior Lordship, Siti Tara is out of station, Lordship. So at least Lordship, may please to accommodate, Lordship, day after tomorrow, Lordship, on 13, Lordship.
There can be no interim head, Lordship, Lordship. Impugn order is at page 55,
Is
55.
55. Had Mr. Jiva, London Council for the petitioner, and Miss petitioners, GAT, London additional senior government report for R123. You should notice, reasonable in 4 weeks. As Ms. said, election not on behalf of 1, 2, 3, no home on the extra copies to be furnished. This is for service of notice upon respondents 4 to 7, be taken by both ways within a week, listed after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes,
May I please, Your Honor? No, no, senior counsel is on his way. He's
item number 4.
5. 4, item number 5.
What happened to 4? Busy connect करने दोगे? हाँ, तो अभी करने दो। You are for the petitioner?
Yes, I'm insisting.
Yes.
Actually, we have applied for the virtual mode. And
What is the matter about?
this is the petitioner. We are the government employee and we are staying at the government quarter at Papu Hills. And the government has notified that this old quarter has to be dismantled and a multi-story building has to be built to provide accommodation.
There is a similar matter
Yes.
coming up when?
Dates, really, I forgot.
Uh,
So may I humble
This
submission.
matter was, earlier it was already disposed of.
It was disposed of.
Yeah. Division bench Lordship directed them to shift within a 2 weeks. They went
Okay.
to the SLP Lordship.
Huh.
And SLP up to this 31st October, they have been given time and directed to shift.
After 31st,
Yes,
31st of August.
yes.
Then why have they come here?
Now,
My lord,
what they
My
are,
lord.
Yes.
I think it's yes. Come.
Yes,
my lord, good afternoon, my lord. I'm very much obliged for allowing me to join through VC, my lord. My lord, the Supreme Court has in this SLP granted time till 31st of October to vacate the premises. We are not on that. It has merely extended the timeline given by this honorable court to 31st of October because of the weather conditions and everything, my lord.
Yes,
Am I
Yes.
audible, my lord?
yes.
My lord, the Supreme Court has merely extended the timeline to vacate the premises. We are not on that. We are not challenging that. We cannot challenge that. That is by the Supreme Court. We have given an undertaking also that by 31st of October, we will vacate the premises. We are here for something else, my lord. My lord, we are government employees, and there was certain other government employees residing in Sector E of the same district, my lord, of Papumpare district only. Now, my lord, they have been offered private rented alternate accommodation while some construction activities are going on in the place of their previous houses, my lord. That is what we are seeking here, my lord. Similarity with Sector E government employees.
Yes. Yes,
My lord, we are only seeking that they have given an offer for alternate rented private accommodation to Sector E employees. We are also government employees. We are also similarly placed. They are trying to vacate us also. We have to oblige because the Supreme Court has granted us time and directed us to vacate. We will vacate. But give us some alternate accommodation, my lord, which they have offered to Sector E government employees.
where is this 27/4/2023 order?
My lord. My lord, it's page number 116, my lord. Annexure P13, page number 116.
116.
Please, my lord. Well, the typed copy is at 116A, the very next page, my lord. My lord has it. May I read, my lord?
Yes,
My lord, this is an order by the Deputy Commissioner. And my lord, it says, in view of the proposed construction of multi-storied parking lots at E sector, Naharlagan, by the Itanagar Smart City Development Corporation, Itanagar, the present occupants of the below mentioned government quarters are being provided alternate accommodations at various locations. And my lord, then there is the addresses given, which have been provided to these employees. And then, my lord, after that table, it says the arrangements for payment of rent of above mentioned occupants shall be done by the Itanagar Smart City Development Corporation, Itanagar, which is the government, for a period of 1 year. And on availability and vacancy of the government accommodations under Capital Itanagar, they shall be provided the same on priority. My lord, this is exactly what we are seeking, my lord. That gave us something similar, nothing else.
where is the order of the Honorable Supreme Court?
My lord,
111.
please, my lord.
Who are the petitioners?
Well, the petitioners are government employees, my lord.
In which department or?
My lord, different departments, my lord.
Dif-
No particular
different-
department.
Different departments.
Please, my lord.
And this persons at page 116,
Please, my lord.
they are also from different departments.
Please, my lord. There's no particular, specific department, my lord. There are
Okay.
just different quarters and employees from different departments are allotted quarters there, my lord.
Yes, Tapin?
Lordship, here the petitioners are asking something, Lordship, to defeat the judgment passed by this honorable court, the division bench, and as well as the rebel apex court, Lordship. Here, Lordship, this is the past bench, Lordship. This is not the only project, Lordship, we have initiated, Lordship. There are many quarters due to old age, Lordship. We have proposed to, Lordship, reviewed it, Lordship. And this is the past bench, Lordship. As per the availability of the accommodation, Lordship, these people, they have been accommodated at Lordship, Lehi, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, another batch, they
Don't-
also,
Mr. Council,
Please, my lord.
don't you think these persons should be made as a party? Respondents?
My lord, my lord, I did not think so, my lord, because it is the government offer that, my lord, I have been told that they have not even accepted the offer. To be very honest with the court, my lord, they have refused to move into these private accommodations, but it's the offer that we are challenging, my lord. That they have offered us, they have offered them, and why don't they offer us? But
Alright.
if your lordship directs, we'll incorporate them as parties, my lord.
No, we can't direct you.
Please.
It is for you to decide.
My lord, because
Uh,
they've chosen not to move into these accommodations, therefore I did not think the need.
All right, you are required to vacate on or before 31st of October.
Please, my lord. Please, my
In
lord.
terms
We have
of-
given
in
an
terms of-
undertaking. Please, my lord.
All right. Hard Mr.
Sagar Roy, my lord. Sagar Roy.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner, assisted by Mr. X Gyati, Learned Counsel, and Mr. S. Tape, Learned Senior Government Advocate, represent all the respondents.
oh, 1 and 2, Lordship.
1 and 2 only. 1 and 2. Why not 4? Executive Engineer, Public
Yes,
Works.
4 also.
for
3 is the,
3, I
Tapo,
think
Mr.
P Tapo is there, okay. For respondent 1, 2, and 3. Issue notice. Returnable 3rd of October. They have to vacate 31st October, you know that?
Please,
3rd of October.
Much obliged, my lord.
As
Very
Mr.
grateful.
As Mr. Tapin is exceptional and so, no formal note need to be said. Requisite extra copy of the writ petitions of notice to respondent number 3 be served to Mr. P. Tafo.
Already given,
Huh?
already served.
You again, sir?
Yes.
Okay, just. All right, then none has appeared for the respondent number 3, huh?
This morning he came and I
Despite the name of the London Standing Council having been shown in the cause list first. Notice to respondent 3 we served through the Standing Council for the UD department, Mr. P. Tafo. List it on 3rd of October.
Very grateful, my lord.
What is this?
This is regarding termination of the service from sub-inspector police.
Why? On what ground? After departmental,
No. It was, the ground of termination was only based on the FIR loads against them. Only that is the only ground. Now, of course, he was a probation period. Since he was appointed as a sub-inspector on 24th February 2022. 24th February 2022, and he has been terminated on so-called notice. Termination notice was issued on 27 January 2023, that is page 42, Annexure 5.
no, okay. What is the termination order?
Termination notice. After that, we have submitted our representative. There is Annexure 6. After that, Annexure 7, page 45. Our reply was not considered and I was terminated. Then the termination was done by Assistant Inspector General of Police, PSQ, Itanagar. After that, Annexure 8, page 47, we made an appeal against the order number PSQ PB DP-01 2023 dated on Itanagar the 3rd March 2023. Actual termination order was issued on 3rd March 2023 by the AIGP, and we made an appeal. But in spite of the appeal, our case was not considered. There is Annexure 9, page 49 is the impugn order, which was passed by the.
All right. I have Mr. M. Patil, London Senior Counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. T. Wangmo, Learned Government Advocate, representing all the respondents.
1, 2, 3, madam.
1 and 3 only.
Yes.
Who will represent 2 and 4?
1, 2, and 3, madam.
1, 2 and 3.
For respondent 4, madam, there's
Oh,
vigilance.
Pada.
Oh, Pada, yes.
Okay. 1, 2 and 3. Yes, Ms. So and so is accept notice on behalf of respondent R1, 2, 3. No formal notice need be sent. Extra copy of the petition. Common requisite numbers be furnished to her during the course of the day. Stop. Notice to respondent number 4 be served through the standing counsel SIC, Mr. Opada. Notice is made returnable in 6 weeks, listed after 6 weeks.
These similar type of cases have been fixed on 18 of this September.
18 September.
18 of this September means regarding the termination, because it is APCS scheme.
Okay. Returnable notice returnable 18 September. Listed on it.
May I Lordship? Lordship, leading counsel, Master B, which standing counsel RD is out of station, Lordship. Matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. On the prayer of Mr.
K. Lauren, Lordship, on behalf of B Pitcher,
K. Lauren, Learned Counsel on behalf of B. Pitcher,
Lordship,
Learned Standing Counsel for RD Department,
Lordship,
listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Oh, 2 weeks.
All right.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, the briefing council has suffered a bereavement, my lord.
Ah.
But I've been served a copy of the brief in the morning. I've seen that the affidavits have been exchanged. The matter pertains to tender, my lord. That is, initially there were 2 tenders called for 2 different works. Later on, those were cancelled and a composite tender was floated. We participated there, but without informing us, my lord, the tender has been cancelled. We have challenged that cancellation and they have floated a new tender. My lord, there was no reasons assigned. That is what I have seen, my lord. No reasons assigned for the cancellation. But in the affidavit, they say that the tenders have not been found responsive. But my lord, the records may also be required, my lord, and records of the cancellation. So may I pray, my lord, if this matter could be taken up on next Tuesday, my lord, for hearing, my lord, because the affidavits are already in place, my lord.
Lordship, somewhere or other, this has been pending since 2 years. Somewhere or other, after getting the interim order, they have been taking time, Lordship. So we feel that this should be disposed of, Lordship.
Well, if it could be taken up next Tuesday, my lord, for final hearing, my lord.
After 2 weeks.
My lord.
I'm declaring for respondent number 5.
What to do when? After 2 weeks?
My lord, my lord, then could it be on 9th October, my lord? If it is.
9th, okay. On the prayer of learned council for the party listed on 9th of October.
For final disposal.
Final disposal.
Yes.
But the interim order is
Interim order pass shall continue till the next date of list.
my lord, deeply. This matter pertains to, my lord, medical reimbursement of medical expenses, my lord.
Yes.
On the last date, my lord, the learned counsel for the state, my lord, was directed to obtain instructions, my lord, as to whether, my lord, the central medical attendance rules apply, my lord.
Central medical attendance rules.
My lord. Our contention, my lord, is central medical attendance rules apply.
Okay. Yes.
Your Lordship, in this, we have received a parawise comment, Your Lordship. We need 1 week for filing this additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Okay. What does it say? It applies or not?
It says, it has been ceased, Your Lordship. And this one, Your Lordship, this one, the reimbursement of medical treatment from the financial 2015 and 16 onward, which means government of Arunachal Pradesh has ceased to implement the central service medical attendance rule.
Or ceased to, ceased, since
Yes, Your
when?
Lordship.
Since when?
Since 2015 to 16 onward, Your Lordship.
2015-16 onwards.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But you received treatment prior to that.
Prior.
That will help you.
Your Lordship, we need to get some instruction also, Your Lordship.
Okay.
It's not complete, Your
On
Lordship.
the prayer of Miss P. Pangu, London Government Advocate. Miss P. Pangu, London Government Advocate, prays for and is granted 1 week time to file additional affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes. Prayer is listed after 2 weeks.
My lord, may I pray for one date, my lord, 9th
Yes.
October, if not.
Okay, 9th October.
My
All right. Prayer is allowed. As prayed for by Mr. Nair, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, listed on 9th of October.
Deeply. My lord, in this matter, my lord, the DC was supposed to file his affidavit, my lord. It's a land acquisition matter, my lord, so the DC is his affidavit is essential, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, in this matter, for respondent number 5, we have already filed, Your Lordship, and for respondent number 8 and 9, we have received the instruction, Your Lordship. So some more time may be needed, Your Lordship.
How much time?
At least 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
2 weeks.
3 weeks.
For 8 and 9.
Yes, Your Lordship.
On the prayer of Ms. P. Pangu, Learned Government Advocate, 3 weeks time is granted for filing of a counter affidavit by respondents 8 and 9.
Yes, Your Lordship.
As prayed for, listed after 4 weeks.
My lord.
Again, 9th of October.
9th, my lord.
As prayed for by Mr. Nair, the counsel for the petition, listed on 9th of October.
Deeply.
On the last occasion, the government advocate and standing counsel for the education department, they were directed to get some instructions. This morning, Mr. Tagum called me up. He said he's out of station. He said few days time. So I'm like, can it be on 15 then? for
15th.
instructions,
15th.
15 of this month.
Is that okay?
Lordship, Mr. Tijamo has instructed me to pray for that Lordship, may be listed after Lordship vacation Lordship and fixed date may be given Lordship.
After vacation.
Lordship.
Durga Puja vacation.
Lordship on, may be listed on 2 of November Lordship.
Second
of
of
November Lordship.
Yes, 2nd of November.
There will be too long, my lord. It is, your lordship has also, on the last occasion, also made an observation that this is an admitted pending amount.
Oh, this is regarding what? Bill, pending bill.
Bill pending. It is an admitted amount. So therefore, last time, only because the government advocate, they said that the extra copies were not served on them. So it was served and thereafter for instructions, 2 days for their instructions.
Why 2nd of November? We are in September.
Lordship.
And the kind of date you have chosen, it's very strange also.
Lordship.
If you look at the calendar of this bench. Yes,
Lordship, Lordship, then, Lordship, maybe on 8 Lordship.
huh?
8.
Which 8?
8 of November Lordship.
8th of November.
Lordship. Lordship, Lordship, Mr. Tijamo, he has
See, what is here? This is not a complex matter.
Lordship.
Either you have to say, yes, the amount claimed is due. Or you have to deny, that's all.
Lordship, actually, Lordship.
If you deny, we will send him to civil court. If you admit, we will give a direction. So what kind of for this purpose, why such a long time is required?
Lordship, actually, Lordship, he was able to come with the instruction, Lordship, with proper instruction from the department, Lordship. Mr.
No, instruction has always to be proper instruction. You can't come with the improper instruction, Mr.
But some, Lordship,
On the prayer of Mr.
Ketawang.
Ketawa, on behalf of Mr. T. Jamo, Learned Council for the Learned Standing Council Education Department, listed after 3 weeks. For filing of a counter affidavit.
Please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in this matter, so on the last date, some instructions were to be placed by the Learned State Council, my lord. My lord, this is for payment of HTS bills, my lord. An affidavit was filed by the state, my lord. If my lord comes to page 18 of the affidavit in opposition of the state, my lord. Page 18, annexure 3, starts at page 18. The operative portion is at page 19, para 11 of that, of the board proceedings. The board opined that all the HTS claims of Messrs. Pisa Sumpa seems to be dubious. And as such, the bills may be returned to the Deputy Commissioner Kurun Kumail for re-examination of the authenticity and further necessary action as deemed fit as per the observations of the board. So on the last date, my lord, what I had prayed for, my lord, is that the matter be, since we were not aware of these board proceedings, since there is a recommendation for the Deputy Commissioner to examine them, my lord, let the matter be referred to the Deputy Commissioner. Let him examine. If we have any further cause of action, if we pray for some liberty. But my lord, on the last day, lordship was pleased to inquire as to who had constituted the board. That was the last order, my lord, 31st of July. So,
Also, I have only received the instruction actually. The committee was constituted by the director. I thought already additional activity has been filed. Now I've checked, it's not available in my report.
On the basis of that, my lord, since the director has constituted the board, if my lord may be pleased to let the Deputy Commissioner examine the matter, because it would require some examination. Since one officer says that the bills are genuine and the board says it seems to be dubious. So let there be an examination.
No,
My lord.
see, in view of this,
My lord.
we can't refer it to, neither we can examine further,
My lord.
nor we can refer it to any other authority. Except leaving the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum.
My lord, my lord,
We will close this.
my lord, my lord. We may approach the deputy commissioner on.
No, not this deputy commissioner.
My lord,
You may approach, but
Yes, the appropriate authorities, my lord.
appropriate forum is the civil suit.
My lord, my lord. I understand that. My
We
lord.
don't know what deputy commissioner will do.
My lord, my lord. It may be closed, my lord, with that.
What is the total claim you have made?
My lord, it's 10 crore 8,18,509, my lord. Of which the principal amount is 3 crores 52,26,130.
Okay, all right.
Right.
And it includes the interest also.
Interest is 6 crore 55 lakh.
And this is on account of?
My lord, 2004 works, my lord.
Huh?
Works were of 2004.
Where can we find it?
My lord. No, 32 is the appointment. My lord, from page 37 are the monthly allotment orders, release orders, 37 to 74, my lord.
Where is the statement made in your writ petition?
My lord. My lord, from para 3, page 7. And the bills, my lord, will find at page 8, my lord.
Just a moment. Para 3.
3, my lord. Bexu said that after being appointed as PDS wholesale nominee cum carriage contractor in respect of Sarli Circle, the petitioner has been awarded monthly allotment order by the Deputy Commissioner Kurunkume, with different allotment orders from February 2004. As per the allotment order, the District Manager FCI has released the food grains from North Lakhimpur, Assam. After receiving all the food grains from the District Manager FCI, it has been acknowledged by the petitioner in the name of Deputy Commissioner Kurunkume. After release of the food grains, petitioner has lifted the rice as per releasing order by the District Manager FCI, North Lakhimpur, Assam, and later submitted the bills after lifting and delivering food grains to the concerned destinations, my lord. My lord, the bills are at the table below, my lord. Different bills, my lord.
Which district?
Kurunkume, my lord.
You have lifted from FCI North Lakhimpur
North Lakhimpur.
to Kurunkume district.
My lord.
Who, the affidavit has been filed by whom?
My lord, by the District Food and Civil Supplies Officer.
Respondent number
Directorate.
2.
My lord. On behalf of my lord. Respondent, my lord, is director.
Okay, I heard Mr. P.D. Nair, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner. And Mr. S. Tapin, learned senior government advocate for the state respondent. This writ petition has been filed claiming payment of rupees 10,08, 18,509.24. 10 crore 8 lakhs 18,590 509 and 20 page, you find it page 28. On account of the petitioner, on account of lifting of rice from the Food Corporation of India, North Lakhimpur, Assam, to the Kurumkume district of Arunachal Pradesh in terms of various allotment orders issued by
Should I?
District Manager FCI.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. By the Deputy Commissioner, my lord.
Okay,
Authorities.
various allotment order issued by the Deputy Commissioner, Kurumkume District from February 2004, and as per the allotment order, and as per the that will suffice, I think.
That will suffice.
Full stop. The respondent number 2 has filed a counter affidavit where a board proceeding report dated 27/6/2022
Sorry, my lord.
No.
20 July 22.
Huh?
20 July on the next page. The signatures, my lord.
Okay. 27. 27/2022 has been annexed as Annex 3 to the counter affidavit file, wherein on verification of the claim made by the petitioner by the board, the board has opined that board has opined that the claim made by the petitioner seems to be dubious, and as such, and just full stop, seems to be dubious, full stop. Paragraph. You have not filed any reply to this?
No, my lord.
No reply has been filed by the petitioner to the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 2, post of para. In view of the above, since the claim made by the petitioner in the instant writ petition has been denied and disputed by the respondent number 2, by the state authorities in the affidavit filed by the respondent number 2. No, I am of the view that no further inquiry as to the entitlement of the claim made by the petitioner is required to be made in the instant writ proceeding. Accordingly, this writ petition shall stand closed with a liberty granted to the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum if the petitioner is of the view that petitioner is entitled to the claim, the entitled to receive, receive. If the petitioner is of the view that the petitioner is entitled to receive the claim made in the instant writ petition from the respondent authorities. The petition stands disposal in terms of. That's
My lord, if there is any delay, the delay may be condoned by
No,
by
no.
the.
Otherwise, is dismissed, is the proper,
Huh?
Close. Come on.
Dispose.
Deeply on that.
Lordship, here I have a prayer, Lordship. Here, Lordship, Learned AG is preparing for the estate, Lordship.
Ah.
So there is a request to fix it on 9th of October, Lordship.
9th of October.
Otherwise, he came this morning, Lordship.
Okay, on the prayer of Mr. S. Tapan, learned senior government advocate, on the ground that the learned advocate general will be appearing in the instant case. Is this matter on 9th of
9th
October?
of life.
My lord. May I please, my lord.
Mhm.
My lord, I am appearing for standing counsel power, my lord, who is assisting learned AG, my lord, in this case, my lord, for respondents, my lord.
Mhm.
My lord, I have a prayer that learned AG has left in the morning. He was here, but he's left for Guwahati, and he instructed to place them for a prayer with a prayer, my lord, to place the matter on 9th of October, my lord. He will be here, my
9th of October.
lord. October.
You are.
I'm
you are-
appearing on behalf of a standing counsel power, my lord, who is
Okay.
assisting the AG, my lord.
All right.
Then, my lord, it may be fixed on for final disposal, my lord. Last
9th.
time, in fact, it was fixed today for final disposal, but then
Okay.
no matter has again,
So fix on 9th.
yeah, for final disposal, it may be mentioned, my lord.
I am appearing on behalf of private telephone. Private.
Had Mr. S. Mao, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. K. Due, learned counsel
For
on.
standing counsel power.
Okay. On behalf of Mr. L. Parme,
Yes,
learned standing counsel for the power department, and Mr. N. Taje, learned counsel for respondent number 4.
Yes.
Rusto. Mr. Dubey informs this, Mr. Dubey, learned counsel, has submitted that the learned advocate general would be appearing for the Department of Power in the instant case for which he pressed for listing of this matter on 9th of
9th of October.
October, to which the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner as already respondent number so and so has no objection. In view of the above, and as prayed for listed on 9th of October,
Obliged.
For final.
on which date an endeavor may be made to dispose of the petitions.
Obliged.
Obliged.
Lordship, the leading council is having some personal difficulties.
Who?
So, M. Kato,
Kato,
yes, for
when do you want?
for tomorrow, better fix for tomorrow.
Tomorrow,
Yes.
okay, tomorrow. On the prayer made on behalf of M. Kato, listed tomorrow.
Any obligation.
In the order dated 17/7 July. Council for respondent 1 and 2 had assured that affidavit opposition shall be filed within 1 or 2 days. But till today, they have not filed. Not, this is a contempt matter. Not this personal appearance, maybe.
Your Honor,
Not
Yes,
The leading counsel, Mr. Karim Dabi, is out of station.
who?
Mr. Karim Dabi. He's
K.
out of
Dabi.
station. The matter may be fixed day after tomorrow, Your Honor. In the
What is the
meanwhile, we'll
order?
be fighting the.
Page 13, and a specific portion is page 18, my lord. Paragraph 11.
Page 15.
Page
18.
he starts with 13 and is appropriate that page 18, my lord.
Okay.
Paragraph 11. May I read, my lord?
Hmm.
In view of the above, as and agreed to by both sides, this instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent authorities to carry out the execution of the decree and hand over the vacant position of the DG land to the petitioner, that is Ronya clan, within a period of 6 weeks from today, and to submit compliance report before the registry of this court. The petitioner shall obtain a certified copy of this order and place the same before the respondent authority. We hope and trust that respondent number 5, the SP, Upper Subansiri District, and the respondent number 6, Circle officer in charge of Dumpuri PS, will extend full cooperation to the other respondents in carrying out the execution of the decree. But first thing is that this direction has not been implemented, and
Who has violated this order?
the main person is the deputy commissioner.
Deputy Commissioner.
At page 19, I have served a copy. These are the forwarding letter.
Execution of the decree.
Yes,
It is the Deputy Commissioner who has to carry out the execution.
yes. Because they have to be evicted. Court has, learned court below has passed the judgment, and that judgment has to be implemented.
Where is Davi?
He's out of station, Your Honor.
When will he come back?
He's instructed me to kindly fix the matter on that is day after tomorrow, after 1.
Next that one. Okay. And the prayer made on behalf of K. Davi, then it counsel to the respondents. Listed day after tomorrow.
Obliged.
My lord, I'm on behalf of K lawyer for the petitioner. Counsel for the petitioner is out of the station, and respondent are yet to file an affidavit in opposition.
Okay.
So matter may listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, Hira.
We are yet to receive the instructions. still, Lord.
All right. Heard, Mr.
P Harming. Or P Harming.
Humming.
Yes.
Haming.
Yes.
Heard, Mr. P. Humming. Learned counsel on behalf of Mr. K. Lawyer. Learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Sorry. So also heard Mr. I. Rira. Learned additional senior government advocate, who submits that he is yet to receive instruction for filing of a counter affidavit by the state respondents. In view of the above, and as prayed for by Mr. Rira, additional senior government advocate, listed after 8 weeks for filing of a counter affidavit by the respondents. Interim order pass shall continue till the next date of list.
It's okay.
We have filed our affidavit already also. Only a simple direction that I have to file the affidavit, certify it took 1 year to pay the petitioner's compensation fee.
Now this writ petition is for what?
Writ petition already also this.
Huh?
Writ petition is already also.
Writ petition already closed. 267.
This in with regard to the interest only is that. With regard to the interest part. For this payment in repetition was instituted, Lordship. We'll see at page 69.
Page 69,
16.
16. Yes,
16, Lordship, we'll see here. Oh, no. 18, Lordship.
okay, writ of mandamus shall not be issued, directing the respondent member to immediately release 20% of compensation
20% was kept.
with
This was
interest.
Released, Lordship, on 27/1/23.
Why it was kept?
Lordship, because that's why we have filed this affidavit. Lordship, we see it come at page 11. There was a dispute between the brothers, Lordship.
Okay. Affidavit by whom?
This affidavit is by the, this is Lordship, page 11.
Which
This
affidavit?
is honorable court's order, Lordship.
No, affidavit by respondent number 3. No, 3 is private respondent. 2.
Two, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship. Relevant person, Lordship, page 11.
Page 11.
This is in WPC 241/2021.
Hmm. 9/12/2021 order.
Yes, sir. Lordship, para 4.
Yes.
After considering the submissions, this court is of the view that present petition is not required to be detailed any further. It is accordingly directed that the Deputy Commissioner Apaswan will undertake an exercise regarding the total amount which should be entitled by the two individuals. Brothers within bracket, who are in dispute regarding a portion, and by keeping such amount in debt, release the rest of the amount to the petitioners and the other villagers in accordance with law. Lordship, that's why their portion was not given. Which portion was disputed by the two brothers. Lordship.
Okay, how this?
Lordship, I have been instructed by my learned senior Lordship, 2 more weeks may be granted for file rejoinder, Lordship.
For rejoinder.
Lordship.
Otherwise, Lordship, payment they have received already. Only for the interest is the petitioner is pressing this matter. Lordship. And we are saying because of this order of the honorable court, and then the brother has filed a Lordship complaint before the Deputy Commissioner. That's why Lordship, this payment was Lordship all. And after receiving this, Lordship may kindly come to page 14. No objection was given by the brother to the Deputy Commissioner. Page 14. This is a type copy. The original is in 13. No objection regarding release of remaining compensation to Sri Marvel. And this who has written is Martu, the brother.
So where is the payment made?
Payment. Payment is Lordship. I have shown you already, Lordship. Page 18.
Page 18 of the. Okay.
Type copy. This is
4,81,000.
47,81,000 already, Lordship. That's good.
Interest is paid under which provision? In the
Right now, but then it's there. So if they are after receiving of the Lordship payment, if the authority hold the payment without any reason, Lordship. But here we have shown the reason, Lordship. They were before this court in WPC, Lordship. Here in
No, that is for that purpose. See, there is a provision for payment of interest in the Land Acquisition Act. Is not it? So we'll have to refer to that and say that, no, the payment, which one is that provision? If the payment was withheld because of the dispute between the brothers,
Yes, Lord.
then no interest is payable under the act.
Yes.
So for the purpose of saying so, that provision is to be referred to. So therefore, they are not entitled to interest. Writ petition is disposed of by dismissing it. Is not it?
I may be allowed some time.
No.
See that.
On the prayer, Land Council for the parties, list it after
2 weeks now.
2 weeks.
May Lordship. Lordship, I am on behalf of B Pitcher, Lordship, for respondent number 6. I may be allowed for 2 weeks time for file counter affidavit, Lordship.
Filing what?
Counter affidavit, Lordship.
What is the matter, Evan?
My lord, this is regarding a recommendation for cancellation of the scheduled draft certificate. Please.
You are representing whom? Pitcher is representing whom?
6.
Respondent number 6, Lordship.
Who is 6?
That is, my lord,
Gram Sabha.
Gram Sabha.
Okay. How much time?
2 weeks, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
K. Logan, Lordship, on
K.
behalf
Lord,
of
on
B
behalf
Pitcher.
of Mr. B. Pitcher, Learned Council representing respondent number 6. 2 weeks time is granted for filing of the counter affidavit. Listed after 2 weeks.
Alright.
Number 20.
May I please? In this case, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. G. Bull. He's a counsel from Delhi and the matter was not fixed today. I mean, it was fixed after 2 weeks, so he could not be aware of the date. So the case may be fixed on 6th of November. Your Honor.
6th of November. You are for the petitioner.
I'm for the petitioner.
On the prayer of Miss
T.Y. Bhutia.
T.
T.Y. Bhutia.
T.Y. Bhutia, Learned Council for the petitioner. Listed on?
On 6th of November.
6th of November. Okay, 6th of November. All right, 6th of November.
Will you apply for?
Number 21 and 22.
My lord, may I plead?
Hmm.
My lord, IA is for implement of private respondents, my lord. Private respondent is 28, 29, 30. My lord. On page 22. The Union of India. And then 29 will be a general officer commanding in chief. And then 30 will be a commander 181 Mountain Brigade of Light. The land has been acquired for this 181 Mountain Brigade. And when we filed the writ petition, that time the respondent was 181, 182. Now they have shifted to some other place.
You want to implement Union of India
Yes, my lord.
as which respondent?
Respondent as a respondent number 28.
Where have you mentioned in your prayer?
Yes, my lord.
Oh, 28. Okay, all right, all right. Mr. S. Mao, Learned Council for the applicant. You're for whom? Both of you?
My lord, I'm for 2 and 3.
Two and, okay. Miss, G. Ete, one additional senior government advocate for OP number 1 and 4, and Mr. D. Kamluk, Lieutenant Counsel for the LM for respondent, OP number 2 and 3. This is an application for, this is an application seeking implement of seeking implement of the following. 1, 2, 3 at page 25 of the IA. Upon hearing the Lieutenant Counsel for appearing for the parties and on perusal of the materials on record, the instant application is allowed. Accordingly, the implement sought for as indicated herein above. Just okay. This application is allowed, no? Yes, post of Learned Counsel for the petitioner shall file and amended writ petition within 2 weeks.
Yes. My lord, if I amending, my lord, we want to amend in some prayer portion also, my lord.
Then you file application.
Like.
My lord, I'm praying on behalf of petitioners council, R. Sonal. The matter may be fixed after ensuing puja break.
20?
Ensuing puja break, 23.
What is this 2015 matter?
It's related to some service matter, my lord. Challenging the promotion of junior, promotion of someone who is far more junior than the petitioner.
Who is representing the private respondent? No one. It is a promotion or seniority?
With regard to the promotion, there is yes, promotion, my lord.
From which post to which post?
From LDC to UDC.
Which department?
WRD.
WRD. When was the promotion made?
My lord, actually, I'm not prepared with the matter. It's a bit
See,
complicated.
these respondents may have been promoted to yet another higher post.
Yes. Seniority law.
Seniority. But you are saying promotion. He said this is promoting the private respondent. They've challenged the promotion order also.
Yes, there's a promotion order.
All right. On the prayer of Mr.
P. Nyarus.
P. Nyarus, learned counsel on behalf of R. Sona, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 4 weeks.
Yes.
May I, Lordship? Lordship, this matter may be passed over for a day after tomorrow, Lordships.
What is the matter?
Matter, Lordship, tender, Lordships, tender matter, Lordship.
Matter survival or not?
Yes, Lordship, matter is survive, Lordship. Yes, because Lordship, interim order is there, Lordship.
Since 2018.
18, Lordship. So, Lordship, day after tomorrow, Lordship.
What kind of work?
Work for constructions of Porter track, Lordships.
Porter threat. Matter survive or not?
Still survive.
On the prayer of Mr. G. Bam, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship, interim may be continued, Lordship.
All right? You appear for which respondent? Respondents are the same
Yes, Lordship.
in all the writ petition.
Yes.
Okay, had Mr. G. Bam, learned counsel for petitioner, Mr.
Correspondent number 8.
Rira, learned additional senior government for state respondent, and Mr. K. Dubey for respondent number 8 in all the writ petition. Yes, on the prayer of Mr. G. Bam, counsel for the petitioner and not objective to learned counsel for the respondent listed after 3 weeks. Interim order for, I'll just continue till the next date of listing.
Much obliged.